Hey YouTube, what's up? Just gonna do a review. Got my chase built the other day, or 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago. It's pretty. I rode it around a little bit, not too extensive, but just wanted to make a review on it. Yeah. So, start off with the grips. Got the ODI Ruffian. ODI. Got the Patriot ones because it's got like the stripes here. On the inside, it's got like the stars. Anything on that one? Got the Donnie Robinson signature TRP carbon brake lever. Same thing. I got the TRP Donnie Robinson brakes. For the bars I'm using the 11. I believe it's the 7.0. I think. Yeah, 7.0. 8-inch rise. Supercross stem. I originally bought a Kingstar headset, but it did not fit, so I had to get the FS8 like top. Something was wrong with the spacers or something. I'm not quite sure. So I put that on there instead. But the bottom is still Kingstar. And the fork I'm running is the Answer Dagger. Looks nice and sharp. Let's see. Gold titanium spokes. Gold alloy nipples. I know, those might be titanium nipples. I'm not sure. Got the Mankind gold valve cap. The gold Sunringle Envy rim. I'm running the Maxxis DTH tires. Oh, and I'm running the Chris King hubs. Most expensive hubs you can get. In my opinion, the best. Right now I'm running, well, I just have flats on these for riding around town. Well, I'm not going to ride this around town, but just for riding around. Got the Stephen Hamilton edition. Animal pedals. Pretty nice. Got a picture of a bull right there. I don't know why. Then the cranks at the Sins Elite XXX cranks in gold with the white 43 tooth tangent sprocket. The cog I'm using, Chris King sprocket, is the it's 16 tooth. Yeah, got the gold croupy chain, nice and tight. That's what she said. Yeah. Same thing for the back wheel. Once again, on the Chris King. I will spin those for you a little later. Got the gold croupy rhythm section clamp. I need to cut down the seat post, but I haven't had a chance to. Supercross carbon fiber seat post with the Tioga D spec Spider saddle. Let's see. Yeah, I think that I've covered everything. The Sins chain tensioners. Yeah, that's about it. I think that's it. I'll spin these for you. Hold on. Oh yeah, one thing I did not include, most important part of the bike, the Chase Pro XL, the XL, blue frame. Yeah, this thing is pretty smooth. I like it. Here's a view of the front. Bars are going back a little. I need to get those moved forward, but yeah, it's pretty nice. View of the back wheel. Yeah, I personally like the Kings better than Stealth. So. Cranks spin nice and smooth. Very smooth. Liking the gold color, but Yeah, I kind of went with the theme of blue and gold. A little black, too. I like it. Probably the nicest bike I've ever had. Cost me around $3,000. Somewhere around there. A little more, I think, actually. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.